In the journey of love, facing pain is inevitable. But did you know that forgiveness is the key to unlocking the door to happiness and growth? Learning to forgive not only helps you release yourself from emotional burdens but also creates space for genuine love to flourish. Let's explore how forgiveness can transform your relationship, making you and your partner stronger through life's storms. Hello everyone, welcome to Stoic Love Wisdom, where classical philosophy meets modern love stories and relationships. Have you ever wondered how to maintain your emotions, find inner peace, and build lasting relationships even when things get tough? In this video, we will delve into learning to forgive in love. Join me as we uncover valuable lessons from Stoic philosophy to help you deepen your understanding of love and personal growth. Let's begin this timeless journey to master love and life right now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the latest insights. Now, let's get started. In life, love is one of the most powerful emotions humans can experience. It brings happiness, connection, and profound meaning to life. However, love is not exempt from difficulties, challenges, and pain. Learning to forgive in love is not just an essential skill but also a vital part of maturity in any relationship. The concept of forgiveness. Forgiveness means releasing yourself from negative emotions towards someone who has hurt you. In love, forgiveness is not merely about accepting and forgetting your partner's mistakes but also a proactive step that allows both people to move forward. Forgiveness is a process, not an instant event. It requires time, effort, and sincerity. Why is forgiveness important in love? Forgiveness plays a crucial role in any relationship, especially in love. Here are some reasons why it matters. Resolves conflicts. Nobody is perfect, and every relationship encounters conflicts. Forgiveness helps resolve disputes and ease pain. Strengthens bonds. Forgiving your partner shows respect and love, which can strengthen the relationship. Releases negative emotions. Forgiveness allows you to let go of negative emotions, benefiting both the relationship and yourself. Encourages personal growth. Forgiveness aids not just the relationship's growth but also individual development within the relationship. Stoicism and forgiveness in love. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy, emphasizes emotional control and acceptance of unchangeable things. Applying Stoicism to love can help you forgive more effectively. Here are some Stoic principles to guide you. Accept reality. One fundamental Stoic principle is accepting reality. In love, this means acknowledging that your partner is imperfect and will make mistakes. Instead of blaming or accusing, view the situation from another perspective. Remember, you've also made mistakes and needed forgiveness. Focus on what you can control. Stoicism encourages focusing on what you can control. In a relationship, you can't control your partner's actions, but you can control your reactions. When hurt, ask yourself, what can I do to improve this situation? Instead of harboring anger, express your feelings positively. Build empathy. Stoicism teaches empathy. Try to understand your partner's perspective. They might be facing personal challenges you're unaware of. Empathy helps you understand them better and makes forgiveness easier. Allow time and space. Sometimes forgiveness requires time. Stoicism teaches that healing often needs quiet reflection. Give yourself and your partner time to think and calm down before deciding to forgive. Don't forget yourself. In love, forgiving doesn't mean neglecting yourself. Protect your emotions and needs. Remember, you deserve love and respect. When forgiving, ensure you don't sacrifice yourself to please others. The process of forgiveness. Forgiveness is a journey, and here are steps to help you and your partner overcome hurt. Recognize and accept your feelings. Identify your emotions, pain, anger, or disappointment. Understanding your feelings is the first step toward processing them. Open up to your partner. Once you've acknowledged your feelings, communicate them sincerely. Instead of accusing, express your emotions positively. For instance, say, I felt hurt when that happened, instead of, you disappointed me. Practice empathy. As mentioned earlier, try to understand your partner's perspective. Listening and empathizing can ease the pain and make forgiveness easier. Make the decision to forgive. When ready, choose to forgive. Remind yourself of this choice during tough times. Forgiveness isn't forgetting, it's choosing to move forward. Act on your decision, show your forgiveness through actions. Spend time together, engage in enjoyable activities, or simply express love. The benefits of forgiveness in love. Forgiveness in love is not just about mending relationships, it also benefits you profoundly. Here are some advantages of learning to forgive. Reduces stress and anxiety. Harboring negative emotions like resentment or anger increases stress. Forgiveness frees you, bringing peace and mental ease. Studies show forgiving individuals experience less stress and better mental health. Enhances mental and physical health. Forgiveness positively affects mental and physical well-being. Releasing negative feelings can lead to lower blood pressure, better sleep, and a stronger immune system. Improves relationships. Forgiveness fosters reconciliation, reducing tension and creating a loving environment. It benefits not only you and your partner but also those around you, such as family and friends. Encourages personal growth. Forgiveness is part of self-awareness and personal growth. It helps you understand your emotions and discover your values, making you a better partner. Creates space for love. Forgiveness removes barriers, allowing love and connection to thrive. It creates a positive atmosphere for love to grow and flourish. Strategies for effective forgiveness. To forgive effectively, you can apply the following strategies. Write down your feelings. One helpful way to process emotions is to write them down. You can write a letter to the person who hurt you, expressing all the feelings you have experienced. Whether or not you send the letter, this process will help you better understand your emotions and gain deeper insight into the situation. Practice meditation. Meditation is a powerful tool to help you reduce stress and relax. Meditation can calm your mind and focus on positive thoughts. While meditating, try to focus on forgiveness and the sense of peace you want to achieve. Engage in love-enhancing activities. Spend time on activities that bring joy and connection between you and your partner. Participating in activities together, like taking walks, watching movies, or cooking, can help create positive memories, making forgiveness easier. Remind yourself of the benefits of forgiveness. When you find it difficult to forgive, remind yourself of the benefits you'll gain. Creating a list of the benefits of forgiveness and reading it often can help you maintain motivation. Seek support from others. Sometimes, forgiveness can be too challenging to accomplish on your own. Seek support from friends, family, or even a counselor. They can help you view the issue from a different perspective and provide valuable advice. Challenges in forgiveness. While forgiveness offers many benefits, it's not always easy. Here are some challenges you may encounter when learning to forgive in love. Emotional pain. When you're hurt, the pain can make forgiveness difficult. Sometimes, you may feel that forgiving means dismissing what happened, which can create internal resistance. Fear of the future. You may worry whether forgiveness could lead to similar harm in the future. This fear can make you hesitant to forgive, even though you know it's necessary for the relationship. Lack of empathy. Sometimes, the difficulty in forgiving stems from being unable to empathize with the person who hurt you. This can make it hard to accept that they may have their own reasons and circumstances for their actions. Negative mindset. If you are in a negative mindset, forgiving can become even harder. Negative thoughts can prevent you from opening your heart and accepting others' mistakes. Finding empathy. Understand the other person's perspective. When you are hurt in a relationship, feelings of abandonment or betrayal often lead to a negative view of the person who caused the pain. However, to truly forgive, you need to seek empathy. This means trying to understand the emotions and reasons behind their actions. Did they go through difficult experiences that led them to act that way? Putting yourself in someone else's shoes not only helps you view the issue from a different angle but also allows you to feel the pain they might be facing. Ask yourself, if I were in their situation, what would I do? This doesn't mean justifying their wrongful actions, but it will help you open your heart and make forgiveness easier. Share your feelings. An effective way to seek empathy is to share your feelings with your partner. Let them know how you feel and how their actions have impacted you. Communication is key to understanding each other and healing the relationship. When your partner understands your feelings, they may be more likely to adjust their behavior in the future, reducing the chances of further harm. Practice forgiveness through actions. Actions that show forgiveness. After deciding to forgive, you need to show this decision through actions. Simply saying you forgive without accompanying actions may make the other person doubt your sincerity. Find ways to demonstrate that you are ready to continue the relationship. Start with small gestures, like spending more time together or simply saying loving words you haven't said before. These actions will show that you have genuinely forgiven and are willing to rebuild the relationship. Create new memories. Create positive memories together after forgiving. Engaging in enjoyable activities like traveling or participating in shared hobbies will help recreate positive moments in the relationship. This will help both of you create new memories, gradually erasing the past hurts. Rebuilding trust. Restoring trust. Trust is one of the most important factors in love. When it's broken, it can be significantly damaged. After forgiving, the next step is to restore trust between you and your partner. Both of you need to work together to rebuild this trust. Start by identifying specific actions that both parties can take to rebuild trust. For instance, you can commit to always communicating openly and honestly, while your partner can commit to not repeating past mistakes. Set clear boundaries. Sometimes, restoring trust requires setting clear boundaries. Together, identify which actions are acceptable and which are not. This not only protects you from future harm but also helps your partner better understand your expectations. Reassessing the relationship. Consider the future. After forgiving and taking steps to rebuild trust, take some time to reassess the relationship. Ask yourself, do I really want to continue this relationship? Does this relationship still bring me happiness and fulfillment? Reassessing the relationship doesn't mean you need to make an immediate decision. Take time to reflect on what you truly want and need in life and love. If you feel the relationship has the potential to grow positively after forgiveness, continue. If not, consider parting ways. Self-discovery. During this process, take time to explore yourself. Ask, what kind of person do I want to be? What can I learn from this experience? Understanding yourself better will give you clearer insight into what you need in love and life. The difficulties in the forgiveness process. Feelings of hurt and tension. One of the biggest obstacles in the forgiveness process is the feeling of hurt and tension that you have to face. Pain can create an invisible barrier preventing you from stepping into the journey of forgiveness. Traumatic memories can easily resurface when you see or think about the person who caused the harm, making you feel as though you can't escape the cycle of suffering. To overcome this, try methods that help you control your emotions. Practicing meditation or yoga can help soothe your mind, while journaling can allow you to release emotions and view the situation more objectively. The fear of being hurt again. The fear of being hurt again is also one of the reasons many people struggle with forgiveness. Once you have been hurt, it becomes more difficult to open your heart to others. You might wonder whether the person has truly changed or whether they will repeat their past mistakes. To overcome this fear, you need to learn how to set boundaries and request transparency from the other person. Communicate clearly with them about what you need in order to feel safe and more trusting in the relationship. This will help create a safe space for both of you, making it easier to forgive and move forward. The role of time in the forgiveness process. Forgiveness is not instantaneous. Each person has their own way and time frame for forgiveness. You may need a longer time to heal and decide to forgive than someone else. This is completely normal. Don't force yourself to forgive immediately, give yourself space to process your emotions. Time also allows you to gain a clearer perspective on the situation. When you're calmer, you will have the ability to view the issue more objectively and find it easier to decide whether to forgive. Emotional changes. Your emotions will change over time. Today, you might feel deeply hurt, but tomorrow you might feel lighter. Allow yourself to go through these emotions without feeling guilty. This is a natural part of the healing process. Remember that forgiving does not mean erasing the painful emotions you have experienced. Instead, it's about accepting them as part of the journey and allowing yourself to feel them before you can move forward. Seeking help. Participating in counseling sessions. If it feels too difficult to forgive, consider attending counseling sessions. A counselor can help you delve deeper into your emotions and provide useful strategies for overcoming the pain and practicing forgiveness. Counseling not only helps you view the issue from a different perspective but also aids you in learning how to communicate better in your relationships. Think of it as an opportunity for self-growth and relationship improvement. Seeking support from loved ones. Don't hesitate to seek support from friends and family. They can be great sources of encouragement, helping you get through tough moments in the forgiveness process. Share your feelings with them and receive the necessary support. Sharing not only helps you feel lighter but also provides you with different viewpoints on the situation. They may offer advice or simply listen and empathize with you. The ability to heal after forgiveness. Building a new relationship. Once you've forgiven and begun rebuilding trust, it's important that both of you work on creating a new relationship. Don't try to go back to how things were before, as that might not be possible. Instead, look for ways to build a stronger foundation for your relationship. This may include setting new goals together, engaging in new activities, and creating new memories for the future. See forgiveness as an opportunity to renew the relationship and make it stronger. Commitment to change. Forgiveness is not just an act, but a commitment to change. Both you and the other person need to commit to working together to improve the relationship. Establish new habits, such as spending more time together, practicing positive communication, and overcoming challenges together. This not only helps you rebuild trust but also creates a healthier environment for both of you, where forgiveness and love can flourish. Lessons learned from forgiveness. Awareness of softness. One of the important lessons from forgiveness is awareness of softness. Many people think that strength is shown through not forgiving or maintaining a rigid attitude. However, true strength lies in the ability to open up and forgive, even when it may make you feel vulnerable. Softness allows you to connect more deeply with others and creates a loving and safe environment. It shows that you have the ability to view things from different angles and accept the mistakes of others. The ability to endure and overcome difficulties. Learning to forgive also helps you develop the ability to endure and overcome difficulties. In every relationship, there will always be challenges. But if you can forgive and learn from those experiences, you will become stronger and better able to face any challenges. This applies not only in love but in daily life as well. When you know how to forgive, you will find it easier to overcome difficulties and find ways to move forward, no matter what happens. Conclusion. Learning to forgive in love is not an easy journey, but it is a worthwhile one. Forgiveness is not only about accepting another person's mistakes, but also about freeing yourself from negative emotional burdens. It allows you to find peace within and create space for love and growth. Remember that everyone is capable of making mistakes. Give yourself and others the opportunity to learn and grow from those mistakes. Practice empathy, communication, and trust building, and you will see your relationship grow stronger than ever before. Ultimately, forgiveness is not just an action, but a decision. Decide to love, decide to forgive, and decide to live a life filled with beautiful relationships. True love is about acceptance and respect, and forgiveness is the first step towards achieving that. Wishing you continued success and happiness on your journey.